He's disgorging it because he's stuck. You got stuck, didn't you, buddy? Yeah. How funny is that? So we can actually use that egg.
You can use that egg.
And the rest of him is up here.
With eggs in them.
With eggs in him. As I came in and he saw me and he was right there finishing eating that egg. That is too funny. Bad snake. He's a big one.
He's pretty.
Yeah.
Rat snake?
Yeah. He's probably... He's got one or two in him, right? Ooh, don't strike at me, boy. Did he strike at me?
Yeah. I don't think he opened his mouth, but I'd rather not have him.
Yeah, there he broke the yolk. Did you see that?
Yeah.
So he had one in his belly right about there, and he just broke the yolk. You're not getting out here, Bubba.
No thanks. I'm good.
Here. Hold him so I can take a picture of him.
No. I'll take a picture while you hold him.
Look at the chickens.
We're like, yeah, we don't even care.
You see the snake? Like, yeah, I'm who's been eating your eggs. Well, he's about how tall?
4 feet. He's in your shadow.
We don't need to kill these guys because they're really good rat killers. They eat more rats and mice than they do chicken eggs. And he's going to go 10 miles away. Don't strike me.
Are you going to put him in your truck?